The black sicklebill, a celestial presence in Papua New Guinea, captivates with its ethereal beauty. The male, adorned with elongated shoulder plumes and a glistening badge of feathers, is a vision of avian splendor. Its jet-black plumage contrasts with vivid pops of colorel, creating a living masterpiece in the rainforest canopy. With intricate displays and melodious calls, the black sicklebill elevates courtship to an art form. Witnessing this avian gem is an immersion into the enchanting biodiversity of Papua New Guinea.